JPEG File Interchange Format or JFIF files are graphic files that are a variant of conventional JPEG files. It takes minimal space so that it becomes easy to share data. The JFIF file is useful, but you might need to change it. In this video, we show how you can convert the JFIF file into different file formats using the best DRS JFIF file converter tool. The application is built with advanced features to customize the file conversion to your needs. You can add various JFIF files in this utility and convert them simultaneously. This tool offers various file formats to convert your JFIF file. It also allows you to change the file properties of the input file when converting it into PDF. You can also add password protection to the output PDF file. It provides the option to change page settings, layout and enable passwords to the resultant. This application works with all major versions of Windows OS. Before you start using the tool, you need to fulfill some prerequisites. Launch the application with administrator rights for proper functioning. A strong internet connection is necessary while downloading additional files. Turn off your Windows firewall and antivirus programs to convert JFIF efficiently. Now, it is time to see how the DRS JFIF converter works. Download the DRS JFIF converter tool from the official website of drssoftech. Install the application and launch the application as administrator. After launching the tool, you will see 4 buttons in the left section: Add File, Add Folder, Remove, and Remove All. The Add File button allows you to add JFIF files. But, if you want to add a complete folder of JFIF files, opt for the Add Folder option. Using the Remove button, you can remove any unnecessary item from the list. Similarly, the Remove All button removes all the selected files from the list. For demonstration, we are pressing the Add File button. It will open the File Explorer. Choose the desired item that you want to convert and press Open. After you add the file, it will appear in the list. Press the Next button to proceed further. Expand the Save File as field to see the list of all the available file formats. You can choose any option you need. Here, we are selecting PDF. In the Path Settings option, the Log button allows you to customize the log file saving location. Likewise, you can change the destination of the resultant file by pressing the Destination button. By default, it is set to Desktop. Now, switch to the Advanced Settings tab. Here, you can manage other properties. First, tick the Page Settings option. It gives you 2 options: Create Single File for each image and Create File for each image. Choose according to your preference. You can also choose the page size. The next option is to add a password to the resultant PDF file. Tick the Add Password button and assign any suitable password in the User Password/Open Password field. The Page Layout option helps you specify the margin of the output file. Enable this option and choose the desired page margins. At last, click on the Convert button to start the file conversion. The tool processes your request for conversion. The time taken will depend upon the size of the file. After completing the process, you will see the conversion report. Click the Download Report button to download this report as a CSV file. It is the complete working procedure of the DRS JFIF converter tool. Following these steps, you can efficiently convert your JFIF files into PDF file format. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.